Hi, Bill Henshaw here again, your walking constitution out here on the San Francisco Peninsula. And we have yet again in the news more BS about the purported abortion issue, which has nothing to do with civil rights, nothing to do with the 14th Amendment, and nothing to do with Arizona, where an idiot judge just ruled that they could reinstate their total ban on abortions. I mean, you just have to understand the issue properly. With Roe v. Wade, it was known at the time on the Supreme Court as Harry's Abortion, written by hip pocket Harry Blackman, a really good guy. Worked for a number of years, apparently, as the legal representative of the Mayo Clinic. So he was involved in the issues, but he didn't do a particularly good job preparing the case and didn't really tie the right, quote unquote, to any provision of the Constitution. They just assumed it was the due process clause of the 14th Amendment. No, it wasn't, and that hasn't been good law for the 50 odd years it was on the books. We have much better issues, and you'll learn about these issues. Contact me, youwinnincourt at gmail.com, and we start going into the courts, especially judicial courts. And those are hard to reach right now, but they have to be there, one in each county. We get into one of those, the game is over. And we set forth what our rights really are, and the government has nothing to do with it. It's a very interesting subject matter given the fact that we now have monetized birth certificates. I don't know that that was happening back in the day when I was born 74 years ago. I just had a birthday earlier this week. And I don't know that my family would have been thrilled about it if they had attempted to do it then. So the only thing I've ever seen from me is a certificate of live birth, and that's the real deal. And mine on the reverse has my footprints. And that proves that you're not a corporation and not subject to the jurisdiction in their courts, aka administrative tribunals. So I'm looking for somebody to hit up here with and work seriously, behind the scenes, mostly in my case for various reasons at this point. But I have the issues, I have the knowledge. We can put together something that'll take care of business here in all 50 of these states and get it right once and for all. And that'll set a pattern in which we can do the same thing and get it right across the board. The magnitude of the issues are just stunning when you understand what's going on. I mean, yeah, Arizona not a state. When they were admitted in 1912, this union hadn't been around in over 50 years. Couldn't possibly be a state. We only had 33 up until Oregon and Minnesota in 1859. And the ratification of the non-existent 14th Board Amendment took care of all that. We haven't had any states in existence since 5:01 p.m. Eastern Time, July 28th, 1868. That's an issue you're going to love, and you'll learn a lot more about. Send me an email, youwinnincourt@gmail.com. And on this issue and on all issues across the board, this is a winner, chicken dinner. Jurisdictionally, they don't have any, and we can prove it. So that said, tell your friends, like the videos, get the word out. The sooner we start cutting out all this BS divide and conquer crap they've been doing for at least 150 years, the sooner we get the bastards off our backs. Thank you.